For those that are suffering from cancer, sensitive, rosacea, lupus, anything that compromises the immune system or makes the skin super sensitive, emulsifiers are what is stripping the skin, and one that is without is a game changer for the skin. Not only should it be emulsifier free, but it should be fragrance free, non-toxic, and the list goes on, besides even vegan. I needed a cleanser that, number one, was clinical, so it had to be clinical skincare, but it also had to take the makeup off. It had to take off the toxins. And I don't mean just any makeup. I mean, my clients are using heavy duty makeup and they needed the cleanser to remove it all, but leave the skin baby soft and smooth. I think having emulsifier free skincare is probably going to be a trend of the future that you're going to see more and more. An emulsifier free cleanser is one that does not contain surfactants. The names that you might know and common names might be sodium lauryl sulfate, polysorbates, PEG. Every one of them disrupts the skin's barrier. So that's why it is harmful and hurtful, especially to sensitive skin, but to all skin because it's removing lipids. Why am I so passionate about having a cleanser that is emulsifier free? Well, for starters, it's the one product that you use morning and hopefully night, but you use it twice a day. If every day you are stripping the barrier every morning and every night, the cumulative damage to the skin keeps building and building and building. Even the best serum, it could cost $500 for the serum. It's not going to work because it's not going to absorb into the skin, for starters. And the other part is that the skin is going to be in such terrible condition that the serum can sting, it can burn. Same goes with moisturizers. If you've ever put something on the skin and you're like, oh my gosh, it's burning, or what's going on, it may not be the active ingredient. It may be the fact that your skin is so compromised, it cannot take it anymore. How do you know if your cleanser is the culprit and has been causing all of your skin problems? Well, here's a couple of symptoms. So if you cleanse your skin and your skin feels super tight, yes, your cleanser is too much for you. If it's super red, that's another great, like, hey, it is really bothering you. Your skin should not be red after you cleanse. And you can even have little tiny bumps from a cleanser that is too stripping for the skin. So I created the Dewy Herbal Cleanser. And is it emulsifier free? Yes, by design, not by accident, because I needed it to be, because the people I was using it on for facials and how we were testing it, if you had something that had an emulsifier in it, they were having these incredible reactions to the skin. The other part of this really fabulous cleanser, now that we're having a little brief tutorial on the Skin Diva Labs product, is that it has pineapple enzyme in it. And I don't know if you know anything about pineapple enzymes or bromelain. Bromelain is an amazing, not only is it good for your tummy, but it's also great for your skin. So it's one of those enzymes that helps to eat like a Pac-Man, dead skin cells, but it's mild enough that you can use it every day. So it not only helps your skin feel glowy, but it also is exfoliating at the same time. Another great ingredient, because I love exfoliation, but I am not big on inflammation of the skin. So when I'm telling somebody, hey, you need to exfoliate, I don't want your skin inflamed. I don't want you using a high dose like salicylic or glycolic or lactic, and like what's happening with the peels and the laser. That's not good for the skin, especially for aging skin. But if you're using something like willow bark extract, which is a nature's own BHA. I bet you didn't know that, which is almost comparable to the same as salicylic acid. And even better is you don't get the irritation. The biggest results here are the skin doesn't feel irritated. The skin is super fabulously clean. It feels soft and not stripped of all the oils. So after you use a cleanser like this, everything that goes into the skin that is designed to be absorbed deep into the skin will absorb better. So your serums that have liposomes in it, they will absorb better into the skin after you use a cleanser that does not have emulsifiers. Your barrier will thank you. Your sensitive skin will thank you. Your serums will actually work now. They won't sit on the surface. They will actually go deep down into the skin and absorb. There are so many advantages to using an emulsifier-free cleanser. So check it out. It's at Skin Diva Labs, and I'll see you in the next video right down here. And if you have any questions, put into the chat or put into the comment, cleanse, and follow along, and let's get your skin glowing.